Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పటి వరకు నా ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోపోయి ఉంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. అండ్ అలానే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ యాక్టివేట్ చేసి ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. దాంతో నేను చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు చేసే ఒక్క లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ నాకు చాలా సపోర్ట్ని ఇస్తుంది. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను చెప్పబోతున్న క్లాస్ డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ part 39. My first bit. With multi-programming, dash used productively. Option A, time. Option B, space. Option C, money. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer just it. Option A, time. Second bit. What are the two steps of a process execution? Option A, IO and OS burst. Option B, CPU and IO burst. Option C, memory and IO burst. Option D, OS and memory burst. Answer just say. Option B, CPU and IO burst. Third bit. Scheduling is done so as to dash. Option A, increase CPU utilization. Option B, decrease CPU utilization. Option C, keep the CPU more idle. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer just say. Option A, increase CPU utilization. Fourth bit. What is waiting time? Option A, the total time in the blocked and waiting queues. Option B, the total time spent in the ready queue. Option C, the total time spent in the running queue. Option D, the total time from the completion till the submission of a process. Answer just say. Option B, the total time spent in the ready queue. Fifth bit. Complex scheduling algorithms. Option A, very appropriated for very large computers. Option B, use minimal resources. Option C, use many resources. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer just say. Option A, very appropriated for very large computer. Sixth bit. What is FIFO algorithm? Option A, first executes the job that came in the last in the queue. Option B, first executes the job that came in first in the queue. Option C, first executes the job that needs minimal processor. Option D, first executes the job that has maximum processor needs. Answer just say. Option B, first executes the job that came in first in the queue. Seventh bit. Concurrent access to shared data may used in dash. Data consistency. Option B, data insecurity. Option C, data inconsistency. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer just say. Option C, data inconsistency. Eighth bit. Which of the following conditions must be satisfied to solve the critical section problem? Option A, mutual exclusion. Option B, progress. Option C, bounded waiting. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer just say. Option D, all of the mentioned. Ninth bit. An uni-interpretable unit is known as. Option A, single. Option B, atomic. Option C, static. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer just say. Option B, atomic. 10th bit. In the bounded buffer problems, option A, there is only one buffer. Option B, there are n buffers. Option C, there are infinite buffers. Option D, the buffer size is bounded. Answer just say. Option B, there are n buffers. 11th bit. A monitor is a type of dash. Option A, semaphore. Option B, low level synchronization construct. Option C, high level synchronization construct. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer just say. High level synchronization construct. 12th bit. What are the operations that can be invoked on a condition variable? Option A, wait and signal. Option B, hold and wait. Option C, signal and hold. Option D, continue and signal. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, wait and signal. 13th bit. A collection of instructions that performs a single logical function is called dash. Option A, transaction. Option B, operation. Option C, function. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, transaction. 14th bit. A system is in the safe state if dash. Option A, the system can allocate resources to each process in some order and still avoid a deadlock. Option B, there exists a safe sequence. Option C, all of the mentioned. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, the system can allocate resources to each process in same order and still avoid a deadlock.